Hi, this is George from StoreCan. Today I wanted to do a DIY video of how to use one of these fiberglass reinforced patches that we often use for repairing tiny holes in the shipping containers. It's not too often that they arrive that way, but sometimes we get a container with a pinch hole. And this is a quick, cheap and fast way to repair a pinch hole. In this particular case, we have this container with a drilled hole about an inch and a half diameter. So we're gonna try this 3" by 6" patch from a company called Quick Patch. We picked them up at NPSA conference in Vegas this year. Honestly, never done this before, so we're gonna try and see how this works. So as you can see, I'm not doing any prep work, just dusty as it is. We're gonna try to apply it and see what happens. Okay, so they say it hardens as concrete. Probably reading the instruction would have been a good idea. Okay. It's already really sticky. Very sticky situation. Okay, so actually in this case, what we could do is just use half of it and then use the other half for a later or other project. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this. Should be sufficient. And there is this other plastic layer here. I'll peel off. And supposedly it should harden up under the influence of the UV, ultraviolet. We'll see how that works. We'll get back to you with an update in 30 minutes or so once it hardens up.
20 minutes later.
So here we are about 20-30 minutes later. Looks like it's hard enough. I'm gonna give it a test. Yeah, looks pretty hard. Looks good to me. Problem solved. Yeah, it looks like, honestly, this is, especially if you give it a touch-up of paint, that seems to be the best option in the shipping container industry to fix tiny holes in shipping containers. If you ever need a shipping container, reach out to StoreCan. We got it.